don't know what your morning started like, but if you could just take a moment, just take a deep breath. Let's just come right here, right now. I have a confession to make also. You know, I used to be a little judgy about people on TV early in the morning, particularly of women, which is unfortunate because didn't she know she was going to be on camera? You know, I might look at her hair or outfit or, just something that wasn't quite right fitting. And then I started speaking early in the morning. And I realized that it is quite a feat to be camera ready when you have to wake up at 5 a.m. So we actually borrow worry from the future and bring it to right now, and it's expensive. But if you have to tell yourself a story and you're making it up anyway, then why not tell yourself the more positive story? When we understand our core values and experience a value confrontation, then we can strategically respond versus emotionally react. An individual's core values are just as unique as one's fingerprint. Oftentimes we engage in relationships based upon common goals, not common process. When you identify your value system, live in that space no matter what. Because I am not considerate so that I can get a thank you from Kenny. I am considerate because I value it. And in that space, I have no regrets. In that space, I can put my successes and my failures in the same bucket because the way I got there was true to me. This also reduces the amount of regret and second guessing that we have. Should I have done it this way? Should I have done it that way? But when you can understand again that it's a value confrontation, then you can make a choice on it. Then you have language to say, how do I get around this? We label entire people off of one experience. Do I have control over the filters or the value system by which either of them is using to evaluate me? No. So if that's true, then why wouldn't I just operate from my core value system and let the labels fall where they may? The reality is that 85% of our thoughts are negative. That's a big number. That means for every one positive thought that you have, there are about 5.5 thoughts that come and try to shut that positive thought down. I was like, wait, what? What was that? Okay, no problem. Moving on. There's no reason why we have to live so unfulfilled and on edge. There's a confidence in knowing who you are and behaving that way without apology.